Hey y'all, what's up? What's on? I'm back. I know y'all like, what am I putting on my face? It's turmeric. Oh, yeah, and I gotta be careful with putting it on my shirt. But yeah, y'all. Today I woke up and I was like, I wanna have a fun my bad. I wanna have a fun day today, just like an outing, show you guys one of my favorite places I like to eat at. But I was like, also I want to do something. So I was like, I want to pass out something to the homeless people because it's freezing cold. And on top of that, it's just like, yes, like I want to do something impactful today. And it is getting on my shirt for real. I shouldn't have put my shirt on. But anyways, yeah. And that is what I was thinking about. So I was like, oh, peanut butter jelly sandwiches, Oh, I don't know. Ugh. Okay. Peanut butter jelly sandwiches for them. Then I was like, it's cold. I don't know peanut butter jelly sandwich, girl. You know you won't want no peanut butter jelly sandwich cold. I was like, dang, how can I keep something warm? Because it's spur of the moment or whatever. So I went to Twitter and a fellow Wildcat from my school, she and her mom, her mom are helping out, packing up for food and stuff for the Puerto Rico relief program. I'm sorry, I can't talk. I'm looking at what is going on. But yes, basically helping people pack food to send out to Puerto Rico. And I was like, why not? I got my sister with me so we can go ahead and, get this thing popping, y'all. I just like, we can go ahead and get it done. Yeah, so that's exactly what we're deciding to do today. Because I was like, okay, we got a few errands to run. And it's like, okay, I'm going to run by one or two of them. And I just canceled the rest because this is exciting. And then I have my brother's concert. So if y'all haven't heard of Deontay Hitchcock, please check him out. He's the truth. And you won't be disappointed. But yes, that starts at 7. So I'm like, shoot, how are we going to do all of this, get the times in, so everything can go right. And I can make it back, get dressed for the concert. And I was like, ain't no way we're going to be able to do a couple of them. So I was like, well, we could just do some of the errands tomorrow. So today, this is going to be a vlogging today. Oh my gosh. You can use my edge control. Yeah.
My toothbrush. They're not going to see the back of my head, are they?
Who, the vloggers?
Yeah.
I hope
not.
You seeing this all on the camera? But no, I ain't gonna fit the back of your head.
Okay, alright. I promise you when I run and get my brush now. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm just starving. Y'all, we're gonna go get some McDonald's. Cause the restaurant we was gonna eat at, like I said, we want to volunteer. So we're gonna go tomorrow to that restaurant and you guys will see one of my favorite places I like to eat at. But yeah. Gonna give me a nice egg and cheese biscuit with a hash brown and yeah. McDonald's.
Please, can we go to Wendy's?
You want some Wendy's?
I don't eat from McDonald's. I only drink their caramel frappes.
Okay, yeah, I can go to Wendy's too. Okay. I just know that Wendy's don't have nothing for me to eat. I redid my edges because I know y'all been seeing on the other vlogs like, girl, what is going on with them edges and this hair? What?
Cracking up though.
What, my vlog?
With your voice.
Oh my god. Living all my life. But no, I you know how you can see stuff? And I just felt like it because it's like I'm looking at it at the vlog and I can't stop looking at it. I'm like, girl, you know you wrong for that. Yeah. So if y'all see my hair looking a little everywhere, I just had to redo my edges. Thank you.
I feel like, the hardest person to judge is yourself.
That is true.
Sit there and self-judge yourself and overthink.
Yeah, that's true. It's very true. We are our worst critics more than anybody. Because sometimes you can walk in a room and you can feel like, everybody's seeing everything that you feel like wrong with your outfit or something. And they looking like, well, I ain't even know until you said something. And you be like, you lying. You are my friend. love of my life. Yeah. I don't know why I can never get the words right in that part. I can, but then I be like, when I'm into the song, I just be wanting to hit her, you know, little yeah. So I just forget. She is my favorite artist in the whole wide world. That is true. And that's why I've always told my mom, like, you know, I want to, for Christmas, I just want to give to the homeless, like, and we've never done it. So it's just like, I'm happy today I found the opportunity to help volunteer, because it's like, I don't want this month to go by and I ain't did nothing. You know, December I helped my best friend with his Thanksgiving thing, donated some funds, you know, to support, because he's been doing it for so many years, and this year was like one of his biggest years. So I'm so proud of him. And it's like, for me, like, I know I just, when I come back from home, I really just want to be able to just, I don't know, I'm the type of person, if I wake up, I want to be like, oh, let's go feed them peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Yeah. Like, because if I move back here, then I'm definitely gonna be like, oh, you ready to go, girl? Yeah. Cause it's like, I be sitting in the morning just spending time, and I'm like, okay, while I'm sitting here chilling, you know, I don't care how tired I am, like, these people are hungry. Yeah. Like, that's how I see. I said, yeah, I don't mind being cold for a couple of hours. They cold 24/7. Okay. It's just, I don't know.
It's sad. It is so sad.
Yeah, it is. Well-being. Oh, y'all, and I moisturize my face with also the same way that I get my haircut products from. It got neem oil, coconut oil in it, and like I just moisturize my face with it, and it leaves it shiny. But throughout the day, you know, it keeps the moisture, and I be needing it. You want to try some? No, it's oh, okay. It rolled under the bed though. I just didn't feel like picking it up. Get some more.
That's good.
No, some more. I mean, it's depending on, you know, your face.
Okay.
So, you know. And you tell me how you feel. It feels great, don't it?
Yes.
And like, look, like earlier when I showed them when I did this version, which was the turmeric, and it basically like takes toxins and stuff out. Yeah.
Your skin too.
And then I put that on that top. I'm like, ooh, baby. My skin look even. And it's not even really all even, but you know.
It really looks really good.
Thanks, but yeah, girl.
Alright.
We got our shine on. Look at that melanin glowing. Okay, let go. I'm so hungry. Wait, do I got my keys? Oh, thank you. Well,
like, especially when y'all wasn't living there, people was always going to y'all house thinking it was my house.
You should have seen they had me on their camera, man. I was like,
oh. I was looking through the phone like, who is this? Like, okay, what's up?
You have a nice day. Y'all, it was so embarrassing. Like, I was trying to come home, I was so tired, and the house looked the same. And next thing you know, I'm like, oh, dang. Bruh. They had me on their camera looking like, who is ringing this doorbell? And I'm ringing on it like I know folks.
Say hi. Guys, you should come out and support Puerto Rico. As you can see, it is a big foundation we've got going on here, and help is definitely needed because we have to pack all these things in the boxes, and your help will most definitely be needed.
Maybe.
Say hi.
Taste buds for it. She was just tearing it up. I was like, Miss C, but she was like, I thought you put that in the trash. But she was sweet though. Like, she wasn't her own way. She just didn't play.
Yeah, you didn't nobody, none of them.
And I be looking like, what? Oh, I found that.
You're next in line. So I got an extra food.
Oh, look at you, box. in the box, girl.
I'm struggling. I never used this before.
Oh, do you have the oh god, oh snap, let me not do that. Do you have the oh, you want to shout your channel?
Huh?
You want to shout your channel?
Y'all can follow us at ak.tv. It's me and Ashton. What am I gonna say? It's a couple channel. You can say too. We might be posting Vlogmas. It's not really Vlogmas, but we're gonna be posting videos anyway. But y'all go follow. Y'all can follow me on social media too. It's what's my Instagram? KEI_ALIA. That's my Instagram. And you can follow all the other social medias. It's tagged on there.
They lit, y'all. They real lit. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put this down. But yes, y'all, please come out and help. There are people in need. And, you know, we need help packing. So, all the way to, I'm putting the information in the box when it starts and ends. But yes, if you are in the Atlanta area, come out. Because it's not, it still has a whole nother room.
So Anna, this young lady here is a brave biology major.
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh. Brave. I tell you, that's the one class I didn't do too good in college. I did not do too good in biology in college. I was like,
I don't think they had that on GED, so I just prayed over it and bubbled it anyway.
is there anything there? Any more space?
But no, for real, y'all come out. We volunteering.
Yes, girl. Yes. How you feel when you hear beanie weenies? Beanie weenies. I never ever heard of no beanie weenies. I should try it.
I know it's dancing. She ain't wanna show y'all that she was dancing though. She didn't wanna show y'all she was dancing. She got moves. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Oh my God.
You know, when you feel the pressure, when the little eyes are watching you, it's hard to always be a good example. But it's not hard to be an older sibling. It's more challenging to be a good example. You know, I love being the oldest. I love it. They might not love it, but Yesterday.
When I walked in here, yeah, but like that's
When you started moving? Yeah, see, look, I have like 5 layers on.
Hey, thank
Nice
you.
meeting you too. You're gonna keep them all, yes?
Multiply this that you guys did for this call. All the people in Puerto Rico have been praying for everybody that touches these packages, so you guys are blessed. Blessed for helping and blessed for being a blessing. So you're welcome to come back. I won't be here tomorrow, but she will be here tomorrow.
You know,
Oh, thank you for coming and volunteering. You guys are such a blessing. The people in Puerto Rico have been praying for you guys, and I hope that you guys understand how blessed you really are.
you're welcome. But y'all, for real, if it wasn't for her tweeting, I would not have known. Because I wanted to make peanut butter and jelly.
The tweet really is at 68 right now, guys.
What?
Yeah, and I'm really excited because people keep DMing me, and that means more people. That means it gets to be cleaned faster. So, thank you guys for coming. Come and vlog. Bye, y'all.